Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, TCS Free NQT 2025 exam date is announced. Exam is starting from 15th of March 2025. Many of the students have already received the exam mail. They have also downloaded the admit card. For other people, the exam date mail will come soon. Please don't worry. Next is, friends, when you have the very limited time for the examination, then the only one thing which you can do is solve as many questions as much possible. Write as many mock tests as possible. So that is the reason here we are going to solve one mock test which will be based on the TCS latest pattern. You need to solve 10 questions in 15 minutes. All questions are very important, okay, taken from different topics. Similar question might be asked in your examination. I will not say that guaranteed selection, guaranteed question, please, because I know TCS every time phrases the new question. The pattern might remain same, but the question will never be same in the TCS examination. Before watching the solution, solve all the question by yourself. Note, I will be taking more time to solve, more than 15 minutes, because I need to explain the concepts and there are many who will be watching the video for the first time. So I will be taking more time. Please mention the time which you took to solve this mock test. So friends, an engineer will make you an engineer. You might have seen the previous result, and the result comes when we start putting the effort beyond our limits, okay? So when we go out of the comfort zone. Now question number 1, I want you to solve first and then we will be solving it. In exam, there will be on-screen calculator, so you do not have to worry at all. Clear? Okay. So rupees 15,000 is lent at 10% compound interest, compounded half yearly. The interest received after 2 years is adjusted to the nearest rupee. Now, in compound interest, friends, if the interest is compounded half yearly, then your rate will become half and time will become into 2. See, it's very simple. Suppose you went to SBI bank. SBI said, okay, I will give you 10% per annum. 10% per annum. That means if you come at the end of a year, I will give you interest 10% per annum after 1 year. Now what you did, you are telling, no, I will come every 6 months. I will come every 6 months. So now if they will give you 6 monthly 10% and 10%, it will become how much? It will become more for them. Correct? It will become more for them. So what they will do? Okay, you come, no problem. 10%, 20% I will not give you. I will give you 5% and I will give you 5%. Okay? Bank is a bank. They are more clever than us. So that is the reason we do rate is equals to half. Now, earlier, after 1 year, you have to go and take the money from bank. Now, you are going every 6 months. So in a year, how many times you went? 2 times. So that is the reason time we have to multiply by 2. Understand the logic. Formula you might remove, you forget, okay? But the concepts will be remaining with you. Now, so what is my principal? Sir, principal is 15,000. Sir, what is my rate? Sir, rate is 10%, but it is 6 monthly. So as you said, sir, bank is not a fool. Bank will divide this by 2 and it will be 5%. What about time, sir? 2 years. Sir, 6 months means what? Every 6 months you will go. 2 years means 24 months. That means, sir, you will be going how many times? 4 times. So multiplied by 2. So 2 into 2 is 4 years. Okay? 4 years. Now, they are asking the interest received. Okay. So compound interest will be equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n minus of P. Now what is your principal? Principal is 15,000 into 1 plus rate is 5. 5 by 100 to the power n is 4 minus 15,000. So this is 1 by 20, 1 by 20, correct? Okay, I will remove this off. So this is 1 by 20, correct? Okay. Now I can write this if you are able to see. I don't know if you are able. Okay, let me come this side. So 15,000, okay, 15,000 into, so this is 1 by 20. If you will take LCM, 21 by 20 to the power 4 and minus 15,000. TCS is giving you calculator to use because these calculations are not very simple. It is time taking. See, it is not very difficult. You see, 15,000 into 21 square will be 441. Again, 21 square will be 441. Divided by 20 how many times? Sir, 24 times. 24 times. Okay. Minus 15,000. So you do little bit of calculation and then you solve. See, 1010 cancel, 1010 cancel, 1010 cancel, and then sir 15 3s are and then 15 4s are. Now we stop till here. 441 into, if you multiply by 3, so 3 1s are and 132, right? See, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, and 12 into 1 is 13. Okay, now 2 into 2 4, 4 into 6 is 16, and minus 15,000. This you solve, you will be able to get the answer. Use calculator in the exam. On a screen calculator will be there. If it is not there, then there is, everyone has to do the calculation. See friend, even if I am a very good student, I still need to do this calculation. Okay, so I still need to do the calculation. Let me see if the recording is happening. Yeah, so I still need to do the calculation. So what I will do, 441 into 1323 is equals to bhaiya divided by 16, and then minus, no, some calculation mistake is there. So 1323 into 441, and okay, so 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 is 8 into 2 is 32. 32 is there, and divided by 32, and then I will subtract 15,000 from there. 15,000 from there, it is coming as 3232. 3232, that means very nearest option I will put as option D, option 4. So you understood the concept, and if calculation is more, use the calculator given in the exam. If there is no calculator for everyone, TCS generally till now they have given, in future we don't know. If they don't give, then अपना हाथ, मतलब अपने हाथ और दिमाग से सॉल्व करना है. ओके, अपना हाथ से सॉल्व करना है. Okay, now next problem. So next problem is a simple problem. See, 5 questions I have kept as a basic question, and another 5 question I have kept as a advanced level problem. The average weight of 8 teenage boy is 46 kg. If 5 boys leave whose average weight is 48 kg, then what will be the average weight of rest of boys? Okay, so first you try to solve it by yourself, pause it and then solve. So average weight of 8 boys, average weight of 8 boys is nothing but 46 kg. So here what we will do, 46 into 8. So this is total age, because sir average will be nothing but equal to sum divided by number. Okay, so definitely sum of ages of 8 person will be what? Average into number. So average is 46, total 8. If 5 boys leaves whose average weight is, so 5 boys leaves, so number of boys is 5 into average is 48. Okay, fine. Then how many boys will be remaining? Sir, 3 boys. So that 3 only you have to tell the average. So 8 6 ja 48. So 8 4 and 36 minus 5 8 ja 40. 5 8 ja 40 and 5 4 ja 20 plus 4, 24, right? Divided by 3. So it will be 128 divided by 3. 3 4 ja 12, 3 6 ja 3 2 ja 6, 42 point something. Is there any option starting with 42? Okay, so there are 2 options are there. So 3 2 6, 2 0, again 6, so 42.66. Option C will become the correct answer. It's a very simple question. For 8 person, what is the total weight? Sir, 368. For 5 person who is leaving, what is the total 8? Sir, 240. So total weight of 3 person is 128. If you have to calculate average, divide by 3. Clear? Okay, good. So see, these are the question which we are going to solve are the TCS problem, TCS National Qualifier Test. Okay, getting it? Previous year problem, but these are the good problem, and that is the reason we are solving. This is a very good problem. So I request all of you to first please solve it by yourself, and anyway I'm going to tell the method. Now here what I am going to do, so in a branch of company, okay, 4 by 11 of the employees are men, 1 by 2 of the men are married, and 2 by 3 of the married men have kids. If 3 by 4 of the women are married and 1 by 3 of the married women have kids, what part of the employees are without kids? Now, so friends, if you will take X, Y and all, then you will be getting marks in negative. I mean, TCS does not give negative marks. So you will be getting marks in 0. Okay, friend, before that, I just wanted to tell you one thing. Okay, so let me just see here. So there are some rules of the TCS exams are there. So I will just see if there are, that rules are there. I will just tell you, because as you know, the admit card is out, but I was looking, if the rules I can tell you. Okay, so let me see if the rules has been mentioned here or not. Okay, so because that is very, very important if you have received the admit card. Okay, so this is a rule which I wanted to tell you. So before this question number 3, I will just tell you this rule. So TCS exam rules, no section switching, only question switching will be there. You cannot switch from aptitude to reasoning, reasoning to English. Only question switching will be there. Anyway, I will go to the question number 3. Before that, I just wanted to tell you. Okay, TCS exam will be happening at center. So TCS ION. No negative marking. Friends, I had predicted that the exams will be starting from 15th and 15th, 16th, the exams will be there. Okay, and now the first day is 15th. But you might have seen this exam already. People have got the admit card, and whatever I had predicted was right. See, that is the reason. If somebody is providing genuine information, definitely people will be with them. And see, I don't talk about anyone here. People talk about us and all. Let them talk. But I will provide you always the quality content and genuine information. No negative marking. Any number of rough paper you will get. First, they might give you one paper. When you will ask, they will give you many papers. On-screen calculator, till last year it was there. This year also it will be there. No question-wise timer. But I don't want to speak something. If they remove on-screen calculator, then you will come and abuse me only. So that is the reason I say till last year it was there. Section-wise timer. So there is section-wise timer is there. Like for, let's say for aptitude 20 question, 25 minutes. Okay. Total 8 theta-based questions were there. It might be different, 9, 10. Fill in the blanks basically. If you submit one coding question, then you go to the second one. Once you move to the second coding question, you cannot come back. Sectional cutoff will be there. TCS upgrade exam will be communicated. So already this upgrade exams is also going to happen. Okay. Now, so this is what I wanted to communicate to you. Okay. So that you keep this in mind. Okay. Now here our question number 3. So in this question, where they have given in a branch of company 4 by 11th of the employees are men, 1 by 2 of the men are married, 2 by 3 of the married men have kids. If 3 by 4 of the women are married and 1 by 3 of the married women have kids, what part of the employees are without kids? So I went through the option, because this is a TCS question and there was options was also given. So I went through the option and then I saw there is a data 132. So I took the data 132. I assumed total 130 is the total. 130 is the total men plus women. Okay, fine, no problem. Then in a branch of a company, because these options were there and this is a multiple of 11. So anyway, see, if you are going to assume also, you will have to assume in the multiple of 11 only. Now, so 4 by 11 of the company, see, because this will be the total. So they're asking what part of the employees, okay. So what part of the employees are without kids? So always at the bottom, you will be having the total only. Now, so 4 by 11th of the employees are men. So I calculated 4 by 11. So 4 by 11 is nothing but this will go by 12 times. So 12 into 4 is 48. So 48 are men. Correct? Total number of men is 48. So what will be women, sir? 130 minus 48 is nothing but equal to 84. Okay, fine. Half of the men are married. So 1 by 2 means nothing but half. So 48 by 2, that is 24 men are married. Okay, fine. Then they are telling 2 by third of the married men have kids. So total 24, and out of that 2 by third is having kids. So that is nothing but 16. So 16 is nothing but kids. Okay, fine. Done. Now what about women? Sir, 2 by 3 of the, okay, this is done. Sir, 3 by 4 of the women are married. So how many married women? Sir, 2 by 3 is nothing but married. So this is, sorry, 3 by 4 here, what I am doing. 3 by 4. So this is 21 times. So this is nothing but 63. So 63 are married in women category. Okay. So this is nothing but your women. 63 is women. And 1 by 3 of the married women has kids. So 1 by 3 is nothing but 21. So 21 is having kids. Now what they are telling, what part of the employees are without kids? So sir, 130 is a total number of men, women. You have to tell. So how many men and women does not have kids? So you see, total 48 men are there. Out of that 16 is having kids. So it is very, very simple that 32 men is not having kids. Sir, men 32. Okay. What about female? Sir, total 84 women are there. 21 is having kids. So it is nothing but 4 minus 1 is 3. 63 is not having kids. So 5, 9 divided by 132. So 95 divided by 132. Option B will be the correct answer for this particular problem. This problem was not a simple problem if you would have taken the normal approach, but by looking at the options, we were able to find it out that what can be done in this particular options. Friends, we are doing classes, right? So already these are the planned classes where we are doing advanced aptitude question, advanced reasoning, advanced aptitude, advanced reasoning. Already these classes has been done. So if you have not yet attended the classes, please do attend, because see, this is where you are going to change the things. Already mock test is started. Okay. So 4 full length mock test, and there are many other mock test will be there. This is the pattern. So test will be there on the full length mock test. Okay. And already classes are going on. Okay. Until your exam, the classes, today is Thursday. So you have Java classes from 7 PM. Tomorrow, Girija ma'am classes is there. Today, Girija ma'am classes is there. Reasoning classes. Saturday, 7 PM. And then Sunday again we have the classes, right? Okay. Next, and all this mock test where it is happening, sir, it is happening as part of the crash course. So 1400 rupees will change. See, already we have given a lot of results. You here also you can see these are the people who are selected in Digital Prime and all. So if you also want to be part of this TCS Digital and Prime package of 7/9 LPA or Ninja, then get it today itself and start your preparation. Okay, anyway, now question number 4. Sir, question number 4 is 10 years ago. So let's go 10 years ago. Okay, so let's go 10 years ago. It's simple equations only we have to form. 10 years ago, 10 years ago, Farhan, see, if the present age of Farhan is F and Rajesh is R, then 10 years ago, sir, it is F minus 10 was 3 times the age of Rajesh. Age of Rajesh is, Rajesh also 10 years back, R minus 10. So F minus 10 will be equal to 3R minus 30. So 3R minus F will be equal to 30 minus 10 will be 20. So it is equation 1 for us. Okay. Then after 10 years, so 10 years hence, the average age of Rajesh and Farhan. So 10 years hence means Farhan plus 10. Okay, so present age is R and 10 years hence, that means from now 10 years, so F plus 10. So 10 years hence, the average age of Rajesh and Farhan. So average will be what? So average will be sum divided by number, and the average is nothing but 30, right? See, average will be equal to what? Sir, it is sum divided by number. Okay. So after 10 years, their sum will be what? F plus 10, R plus 10. There are 2% are there, divided by 2, average is 30. So F plus R, 10 plus 10 is 20, and 30 into 2 will be 60. So F plus R will be 40. And here you see, so F plus R, or you can also write R plus F will be equal to 40. So I just put it like this so that my equation matches easily. So 3R minus F is equals to 20. Now you see, so 4R will be equal to 60. So R is 15. If R is 15, then what should I add so that it will become 40? So 25. So F will be nothing but equal to 25. So they're asking Farhan present age. So sir, Farhan present age is 25 years. Okay. So in a simple way, you will be easily able to tell this. Now question number 5. So question number 5. Okay. Let's go there. Otherwise, sometimes this slide only gets stuck here. What happened? So just a minute, this slide is stuck. Let me close this off. Okay, so I'll have to reopen it, reopen the slides. Okay, where is it? So just a minute, so I'll have to reopen the slides. Okay, final mock test. Sorry for this inconvenience caused. Open. Okay, open and play. And then we have the 5th question. Okay. Okay. Now, question number 5, if you'll see. So I don't know if you're able to see or not. Okay. So here we have, if X is equals to 5.67 bar. Okay. And Y is equals to 3.21 bar. Then you have to find out the value of 3x plus y is. This is a simple question, but the only thing is you should know about this particular bars. Okay. So friends, if we have 0.23 bar, okay, then for how many digits we have the bar? So 23 and divided by 99. For 2 digits we have the bar. Now if we have 5.67 bar, correct? So here how we will write? See, total number is sir 567. Okay, 567. And which number bar is not there? Sir 5, there is no bar. And then divided by 99, because on 2 numbers there is a bar. On 2 numbers there is a bar. So this particular concept I have discussed. Let me take some more problem. Okay. So okay. So let me take some more problems so that I can, at least I can give you the concept. Okay. So let us take one example. If I say you same thing, 3.53 bar. So what you will do? Sir, what is the total number? 353 minus which number bar is not there? 3, divided by how many numbers bar is there? Sir, 99. Okay. So this, whatever, on whichever number bar is there, so that many 9 will come. Okay. Now let me take one more example. So if we have, okay, so if we have 2 point, okay, so if we have 2.145 bar. Okay. Now, so for this what we will do? See, always write the total number. So 2145. Okay. Always write the total number, and see, always write the total number, and keep in mind you have to subtract only the numbers where bar is not there. So 2145, on which number bars are not there? 214, divided by 9. So on how many number bar is there? Sir, only 9. And after that, after decimal, how many digits are there? 2. So it will be nothing but 2145 minus 214 divided by 900. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? Okay, see, we can take one more example. Suppose if we have 2.234. Now suppose on this two number we have bar. So what is the total number? 2234 minus, on which number there is no bar? 22 divided by, how many numbers we have bar? 99. After decimal, so we have one more digit like this, so for that 10 will come. Clear? So this bar concept is very easy. So these are the few examples. So this is examples number 1, 2 bars, that means 2, 9. Here we have 567, write the complete digit, subtract where the bar is not there, 5, and then divided by 2 digits, bar is there, so 29. Before decimal we will not cover for the denominator. 3.53 total is 353 minus where bar is not there, 3 divided by 99. Then 2.145 bar. So write the total number minus on whichever number the bar is not there, 214 divided by one number bar is there, 9, and after decimal we have the 2 digits where bar is not there, so 20. So like this we have to solve. Now once you understood the basic concept of the bar, so I just took few of the cases. Okay, now so here you see x will be nothing but 567 minus which number bar is not there, 5 divided by, after decimal we have 2 digits and for both there is a bar, so 99. Okay, fine. For y what we will do? So 321 minus 3 and divide by 99. Correct? Okay. So this is my x, this is my y. So they are telling 3x, so 3x and plus y. Now 3 will divide this by 33 times. So 562 divided by 33 plus 318 divided by 99. This also you make at 33. So 3 10 times and 3 6 times, right? And 3 33 times. Now add 8 6 6. 668 divided by 33. 668 divided by 33. Option B will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Clear? Is it clear for everyone? Okay. So till question number 5, I think this is clear or not? Just a minute. Okay. Now it is more clear. Why this setting does not get saved? Okay, fine. So I hope till question number 5 it is clear. And now from question number 6, it is going to be little painful. Okay. So the advanced level of the questions are going to start now. Here calculator will be also required. Big questions are there. Solution. See, advanced means calculation will be more. So please read the question once. So the monthly saving of A and B are 3640. So A saving. So A saving is what? Sir, A saving is 3640. Okay. And B saving also they have given. Sir, B saving also they have given. B saving is nothing but 4860. Okay. Respectively, A income is 25% of his saving. So, you know, income will be equal to expenditure plus saving. If you are earning 100 rupees, if you spend 80 rupees, bhaiya, how much you will be having remaining? Sir, 20 rupees. That we know, sir. Very good. Now, A income is 250% of his saving. So, A income is what? 250% of his saving. So, 250% we can calculate. Okay. So, I can calculate it here, but I don't want now to waste time, because this you also can do, right? So, these things, if I will start wasting time, then it will be a problem. So 3640 into 250 percentage, okay, is 9100. Okay, see, they are telling 250 percentage. They are not telling 250 percentage more or 250 percentage less. So don't start using your logic. Okay, now then they are telling, and B expenses are 60% of his income. So they are telling B expense is 60% of his 60% of B income. So now you see, income will be B expenditure plus B saving. Okay, So B income minus B expenditure will be B saving. B saving is how much, sir? 4860. Now you see B expenditure is 60% of this. So BI minus 60% will be equal to 0.6 of BI is equals to 4860. 60% is what? Sir, 60% is nothing but, sir, 1010 cancelled, so 0.6. Now here 0.4 of income will be equal to 4860. So 0.4 means 10 will go that side 1. So 486000 divided by 4. Because of this decimal, 10 will increase. 12 times, 15 times and 0 times. So 12150 if I am not wrong. So B income is nothing but 12150. Correct? Okay. So can we get their expenditure? Yes. So we can get their expenditure. Here saving and here income we have got. So the expenditure will be 9100 minus 3640. So it is 5460. That is nothing but A expenditure. What about B expenditure? So B expenditure is 12150 minus 4860. So it is 72. B expenditure will be 7290. Okay, fine. What they are telling in the question, so what is the combined expenditure? What is the combined expenditure of A and B? Sir, combined expenditure of A and B is 5460 plus 7290. Okay, so combined expenditure of A and B of their combined income. So here it is combined income. You might not be able to see, but if you are intelligent, you could have seen here. So what is this income? Sir, 9100 plus 12150 multiply by 100. They wanted in terms of percentage. Okay, so A and B as a percentage. Now what I will do, so 5460 plus 7290 is equals to divided by so it will be 12750 divided by, okay, here if you'll see 0 5 112 and 250. So it is into 100, so it will be nothing but 60%. Advanced level of the question. Okay, so advanced level of the question, but mainly revolves around the calculation, and calculator will be there in exam, so no need to worry. So you'll have to do little fast. See, when you are solving the question, your accuracy and speed both matters. So that is the reason mock test you should give. So when you give the mock test, you will come to know what is your accuracy and what is your speed. In that, you should definitely give full length mock test. Full length mock test is already part of TCS NQT crash course, which I showed you. So that is where the things are going to change. This is where the things are going to change. If you practice more and more, if you are prepared for the real examination, so in the test we have given section wise timing. So per section you have to spend that much of time. Even we have given complete time. So all these things we have given so that you can analyze what and where you are doing the mistakes. Okay, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Now question number 7. Okay, question number 7 is a question taken from the simple interest. So a sum invested on simple interest for the period of T and ACS grows to amount of A and B respectively, okay, where B is greater than A. If the rate of interest in the first case is R% per annum, then what is the rate of interest per annum in the other case? Okay, so what are we going to do is, all the data has been given to you. So okay, there are two cases are there, case 1 and case 2. Case 1, case 2. Okay, now a certain sum invested on simple interest for the period of T year and S year. Time is what? T. Amount is what? A. Rate of interest for the first case is given as R%. Second case, both are on simple interest only. Second case, time is given as S, rate of interest I will assume as capital R, and amount is given as B. B is greater than A. Correct? B is greater than A. Principal is not given. Principal I will assume as P. Here also principal I will assume as P. So here amount, so instead of writing B, I will write amount. So here amount is B and here amount is A. So we just have to find out a relation between them, nothing else. So amount will be equal to principal plus P into R into T divided by 100. Okay, fine. Now amount will be equal to, so basically see A and B both is involved. So what we will do, we will try to get principal from here, and the same. Is there any option undo? No here. Oh, it got removed somehow. I don't know how. Okay, so quickly I will write. So case 1 and case 2. In case 1, rate is equals to R%, time is equals to T, amount is equals to A, and principal we have assumed as P. Okay, fine. In here, rate I have assumed R%, time is S, amount is B, and principal remains same. Now here I said amount will be equal to principal plus P R, time is T divided by 100, right? We know amount will be equal to principal plus interest. Clear? Okay. A is equals to P, I will take common, so 1 plus RT by 100. A will be equal to P into, if you will take LCM, 100 plus RT divided by 100. Now I'm trying to get P from here, so that the P I will keep it there. So P will be 100A divided by 100 plus RT. Clear? Okay. Now in this case, my amount is B. So amount will be equal to principal plus principal into R, we have to find out. Time is nothing but S divided by 100. Okay. So B will be equal to P, I will take common. So 1 plus RS by 100. Okay. Then B I will, okay, so B will be equal to, principal is 100A divided by 100 plus RT, okay, and into 1 plus RS by 100. This is what we have to solve. So okay, now we will multiply this. B will be equal to 100A divided by 100 plus RT and plus, okay, or what we can do here is, okay, why we are doing this? So 100A, okay, and this one you see 100 plus RS divided by 100. So this 100 and 100 will get cancelled, correct? Okay. This 100 and 100 will get cancelled. So B will be equal to 100A plus ARS divided by 100 plus RT. Okay, good. Now 100B plus BRT will be equal to 100A plus A, R and S. I need to find out this R. So 100B minus 100A. So B minus A, okay, 100 into B minus A, okay, somewhat we have started getting. So 100 into B minus A plus BRT or BTR and divided by R will be here AS. So it will be nothing but 100 into B minus A plus BTR divided by AS. Okay, fine. So option A. Okay, got it right. So this was, see, basically what we did is we calculated principal from here, and in the next equation I have just put principal there, and we were able to get the solution. Clear? Okay, cool. So I hope there is no calculation mistake. If there will be any calculation mistake, please check it out later and update me. I will also put in the comment section, but I don't think there is any mistake is there. Okay, 100 cancelled, A and 100 plus RS, we have taken the LCM here, 100 plus RT, so BRT will for sure it will come. Okay, this question looks simple. This question looks simple. It is simple also, but little tricky. Okay, very good. चलो भैया देखते हैं. If the 5-digit number, कॉलेज में भी many times it happens, right? अरे ये तो अच्छे से, ये तो तुरंत पढ़ जाएगी, तुरंत पढ़ जाएगा. Now if the 5-digit number 972xy, if the 5-digit number is divisible by 733, if a number is divisible by 33, it will be divisible by 3 and 11. Now generally this kind of questions, why they give? Because they knows if we have 311, it will be easy to solve. Now if this number is divisible by 11, can I say difference of sum of alternate number will be 0 or 11, correct? Okay, so 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus y minus 7 minus x, so let's say 0, and later on we'll calculate for 11 if required. 11 minus 4, 11 minus 7 will be 4, 4 plus y minus x is 0. So what I will do, I will send, तो निकल भाई यहाँ से. So I will send y minus x will be equal to minus 4. So x minus y will be equal to 4. Okay. Now we have conditions. See, for number divisible by 11 we have got, but number divisible by 3, that condition we have to get. So if a number is divisible by 3, then sum should be divisible by 3. So x minus y is equals to 4. So I have basically 972xy. So 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 18 plus x plus y should be divisible. Anyway, 18 is divisible by 3, so I only have to look x plus y should be divisible by 3. So x value I will keep it 5, and then y value I will keep it 1. It will give me 4. So 5 plus 1 will be what? Sir, 5 plus 1 will be 6. So this number will be, if it is comes here, this number will be also divisible by 3. Okay, because it will become 6. Total sum if you count, 18 plus 6 is 24. 24 is divisible by 3. Now from 7, 13 7 ja 91, 7 8 ja 56, 6 5, 7 9 ja 63, and then 2 1 7 3 ja. So with 7 also it will be done. So basically my number is 972 5 1, and they're asking 3 into x, so 3 into 5 and 11 into 1, so 15 minus 11 will be equal to 4. Sir, what about other number? Other number you take 6 minus 2, right? 6 minus 2 will give you 4. So if you'll put 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Is 8 divisible by 3? No. See, if you put 6 2 here, then 18 plus 8, 18 plus 8 is 26. It will not be divisible. Then sir, 7 minus 3, 7 3 if you will keep, 7 3 is 10. Will it divisible by 3? No sir. 8 4 will be 12, right? Is it divisible by 3? Yes, there is a chance. 9 minus 5, 9, 5, 14, not divisible. That's all. So 8, 4 if you will keep, then you have to check if it is 8 and 4 here, then what happens? So 6 is coming here. 6 is coming here. Okay. 6, 8. 7, 9 is 63 and 5, 4. So 5, 4 is not divisible by 7. So that is the reason this answer will be this only. If you want to equate it to 11, you can equate, but anyway you have already got the answer. You do not have to put more effort. Clear? So I said this was a good question, and the reason I said it's a good question is because you might have seen the concept used in this particular question. Okay. Now question number 9. Question number 9 is, in how many ways can 3 different numbers? So friends, basically you have numbers from 1, 2, 3, 29 and 30. So you have 30 numbers, and you have to select 3 numbers in such a way that their sum is divisible by 3. So you can say this is permutation and combination. So you have to select the 3 numbers in such a way that their sum should be divisible by 3. आ रहा है ना समझ में कि ऊपर से जा रहा है? Many of you might have left watching till now. Okay. So now friends, you have to take 3 numbers, and if you add it, it should be divisible by 3. That means their sum should be divisible by 3. Okay. So what I will do, I will take all the multiple of 3 from this number. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 3 to 30, how many multiples of 3 will be there? Sir, it is very clear, sir. It will be 10, 15, 18, 21, 24. I am just writing for your sake. Otherwise, it is not required. You know there will be 10 numbers will be there. Okay. So if you add any 3 number, see 9, 6, 3, 9, 6, 15 and 3, 18. It will be divisible. Because it's a multiple of divisible, so it will be always be divisible. Right? Okay. So now second condition. So this is my one of the case. Now my second case, what it can happen. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the numbers which will give a remainder as 1. So 1, 4, 7, 10, and then here 13. So basically here 13 and then 16. Right, and then 22, then 25, then 28. Right? Okay. So 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9. 1, 4, 7. So 3, 3 difference. 10, 13, 16. Okay, 19 we missed. 16, 19, and then 22, then 25, then 28. Right? So we have again 10 numbers here. Now friends, what will happen? So when we are taking the numbers where we can get a remainder as 1. So if you add this, you see one remainder we got from first digit, another remainder from second digit, and another remainder from third digit. Now if you add 7, 4, 11, 1, 12. Here also you see, so 10 plus 13 and plus 16. So see, you can take any combination, like you take 10, 7, 17 and plus 4, 21. It will be divisible by 3. See, out of 10 number, you can pick any 3. Out of 10 number, you can pick any 3 and add, you will be getting what? Divisible by 3. Then third condition, what we will do? We will find out a remainder where it is 2. So first number is 2, then 5, okay, then it will be 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 25 and 26 and 29. Okay. Now how many numbers? Sir, 1, 2, 3, 3, 6 plus 4, 10. Here again 10. Now, so here we have the remainder as 2. Now if you add any 3 number, 8, 5, 3 plus 2, 15. Right? 11 plus 8, 19 plus 5, 24. So again here we have 10C3. Okay. So I can write 10C3 into 10C3 into 10C3. Okay, because any 3, if you take from this 10 and add it, it will be divisible by 3. So first we found it out where remainder is 0. Then we found it out remainder is 1, because 3 numbers no 1 remainder we have. So now what we have, this is nothing but 3 digit sum will be given you. Now here also remainder is 2. So in 3 numbers you are getting 2 remainder, total is 6 will be divisible by 3. And the last and not the least, we will have to take a so here 3 6 plus 4 10. Okay, so now from here what you will have to do is you will have to take this combination. So 1 from this, 1 from this, and 1 from this, right? So 1 from this, 3 plus 1 plus 2 is nothing but 6. 9 7 5, right? 9 7 5. So 9 plus 7 16, and 16 plus 5 21. So from here also you will have to take, right? So how many digits will be taken from there? So how many digits will be taken from there? See, so out of 10, right? So this will be what? 10C3. 10C3 means factorial 10 divided by 3 into 7 factorial, right? Into 7 factorial. So 10 factorial will be 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial. Okay, and this 3 factorial will be 6, correct? 3 2s are 3 3s are, and then 3 3s are and 3 2s are and 2 4s are. So it will be 120. So it will be 120. Sorry, I will not give plus here. Okay, so 120 plus 120 and plus 120. See, the reason is 120 will be getting here, 120 will be getting here. So total 120 combinations, total 120 combinations, total 120 combinations. Plus here what you will do, 1 you take from here, so 10C1, and 1 you take from here, total 3 you need, and 1 you take from here. So this will be 360 plus 10 into 10C1 is nothing but 10C1 is nothing but 10. So 10 into 10 into 10, it is 1000. So it will be 1360. One small mistake I had done by multiplying it, it will not be multiplied. See, first case is giving you total 120 combinations, where, see, what is 120 combinations, sir? Like 3 6 9, this is one combination. 6 9 12, that is one combination. 3 27 30. So like this, total we have 120 combination which will be divisible by 3. Here total 120 combination, total 120 combination. Okay, then here what we did, 1 we took from here, 1 we took from here, 1 we took from here. So anyone out of 10 you can take, anyone. Total 3 we have to select, so that is the reason we have given it multiplication. 1360, this was a very good question. Option D will become the correct answer for this particular problem, right? I hope you are able to understand. So this was a good question. Cool. Now next question. So next question, if you'll see, so the value of x satisfying the inequality x plus 5 2x minus 1 is greater than 3 lie in the interval, correct? Okay, now friends, this question, no, if you do not know to solve in exam, okay, then the best thing I will tell you to go for the options and then find it out. So the meaning of this will be, if I write like this 1 3, that means the number will be 1 2 3. If I write 1 comma 3, that means the number will be only in between 1 and 3, correct? Got it? Okay, so that is the meaning of this. Is means inclusive, this is not means inclusive. Now they are telling, so you tell us the range, okay, you tell us the range. So what I do, see here everywhere 8 by 5 is written. You just have to figure it out if it is inclusive or if it is not inclusive. So I'll write 8 by 5 here. So 8 by 5 is nothing but 1 by 6. So put 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 plus 5 divided by 16 5s are 2 into 1.6 minus 1. So it will be 6.6 and divided by 3.2 minus 1. So 6.6 minus 2.2. So it is 3. It is not greater than this. So this is very, very clear that inclusive one will not be my answer. Out of these two, one will be my answer. Now, I have plus 1 by 2 and I have minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2, and so just put minus 1 by 2, okay? Just put minus 1 by 2 now and check. That's all. So don't use much of your mind. So minus 1 by 2 plus 5. So minus 1 by 2 is inclusive. No. So instead of minus 1 by 2, what you do? You take a number in between. So minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. That means this is 0.5 and this is minus 0.5. So I will take 1 by 4, which is 0.25. I will tell you why. Let us see. So 0.25 plus 5 and 2 into 2.5 is nothing but it is what? So 2 into 0.25 will be nothing but 0.5 minus 1. So basically you are getting a negative value. So negative cannot be greater than positive. Negative cannot be greater than positive. So this is anyway ruled out. This is anyway ruled out. Okay. This is anyway ruled out because minus 1 by 2 and 8 by 5 in between a value will be 1 by 4. So it is not satisfying for this. So this is ruled out. Only this will be your correct answer. Clear? See, this is how you have to utilize your brain in the examination and then solve. There are few questions which will be tough. There is no doubt. One question I have given to you. So in a certain code, BUP, in a certain code, BUP is 80 and PBO is 80. Then what is the code for LSB? Sir, homework. This is your homework. Sir, बच्चा हूँ क्या? अरे नहीं भाई, बड़े हो. Then for what? Brainstorming. अरे सर, so करके आंसर डालता हूँ comment section में. Very good. So please solve this question and put your answer in the comment section. And logic also I need. थोड़ा सा brain को storm करो and give the logic also. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, keep working very, very hard.